Know your animals. Animals beginning with D. Deer. The male is called a stag or a buck. The female is called a doe or a hind. The young one is called a fawn or kid. Deer are mammals that live in the forest. They have eyes on the side of their head. Deer have good sense of smell and of hearing. Some deer antlers grow in the spring season. A group of deer is called a herd, mob, parcel, or renegade. There are about 50 species of deer. The moose is the largest deer. The southern pudu is the smallest deer. Deer live between 10 to 25 years. They are herbivorous. They eat plants, leaves, fruits, grass, and acorns. They communicate visually, vocally, and through their scent. The common deer in India are antelope, gazelle, chital, sambar, chausinga, barasinga, musk deer, black buck, chinkara, nilgai, and hangur. The reindeer is the only domesticated deer. The male deer buck, bellow, or snort. The female does bleat. Dogs. The male is called a dog. The female is called a she-dog. The young one is called a puppy. The parent dogs are called sire and dane. Dogs live in a kennel. Their sense of smell is about 40 times better than humans. They can also sniff out medical problems. They have a very good sense of hearing. They can sniff and breathe at the same time. A group of dogs is called a pack. A group of puppies is called a litter. Some dogs are very good swimmers. They can also run very fast. The dogs don't sweat. They only sweat in their paws, and so they pant to cool down. Dogs dream like people do. They wag their tails to the right when they are happy and to the left when they are frightened. Dogs can learn many words. They also have a sixth sense, like knowing before a disaster happens. Dogs yelp, bark, whine, or howl. Dolphins. The male is called a bull. The female is called a cow. The young one is called a calf. Dolphins have conical shaped teeth. They are marine mammals. They live with their mothers for a long time. They eat fish, squid, and crustaceans like crabs, lobsters, and shrimps. The orca or the killer whale is the largest dolphin. They have 2 stomachs. Dolphins help the injured or old members of their group. They are very intelligent animals. Dolphins live in the ocean or in the brackish, salty waters along the coastline. They sleep with only a part of their brain, and the other remains alert and awake. Dolphins are friendly with humans and animals. They migrate in search of food. A group of dolphins is called a pod. Dolphins click or whistle. Donkeys. The male is called a jack. The female is called a jenny. The young one is called a foal. A group of donkeys is called a drove or herd. Donkeys can live for over 50 years. Donkeys are domesticated and they help in carrying heavy load like water and wood. They also transport goods from one place to another. They are stronger than horses. They are intelligent animals. They have a good memory. They can recognize a place and other donkeys they were with up to 25 years ago. Donkeys choose a leader who will protect and lead them. Donkeys come from desert areas. They digest of 95% of the food they eat, so their manure is not useful. They don't like to be in the rain. Donkeys are stubborn as they don't do anything that makes them feel insecure. Donkeys also guard cattle and flocks. Donkeys bray. Contact us at the below link and join Jotoboto to watch the free demos. Thank you friends for watching. Look out for animals beginning with E and F in the next video. Please like, share and subscribe.